Hello everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you something a little bit different. I ordered some more Stylus tools. Now I had some of these before. This is what I learned to dot with to begin with. And when I ordered these from the do-it-yourself Mandalas, I gave my daughter these because I didn't think I needed them anymore. But what I've learned, and I'm gonna show you on this piece of paper here, is now I've been dotting with these for a while. And this is the number 3 tool. And I can do okay as far as dragging. If I go slow and take my time, I can pull it off. It takes a lot of patience and some drags I can do better than others, and this isn't totally terrible. But the problem is, you get to these larger ones, say I want a bigger dot. Oh, let's move up to a number 6. And it gets harder to accomplish. Now, you kind of got to leave it flat and pull it up at the same time. You see how it's kind of looking lousy. Anyways, I was having a real hard time with this, and someone says, why don't you try those ball stylus ones? I had several people suggest it to me, or name names. And I thought, well, what the heck? So I pulled this one. I didn't give this one to my daughter. I found it when I was moving my studio back over here. And this works excellent. Let's see if I can get way more consistent dots from the rounded tool. So I thought, well, I'm going to order me a full set again. And so I did. And actually ordered more than what I had. So this is what I ordered. I'll put a link in the description. I got these on Amazon. And this is basically what I had before. They are all different sizes. Now, I don't know how I'm going to be able to tell you guys what size I'm using. I might have to figure out, look up and see what they came in and then mark them somehow. But I also ordered these bigger ones. As I thought, well, let's see how that turns out. So this is one of the smaller, bigger ones. And these things work awesome. Let's see if I can get it in the screen. And then I've been playing around with these a little bit. But they are just so much easier than the other ones. And you can do these big, huge ones. I took a big, huge one and tried it. Let's see, scroll out a little bit. So, I mean, look at the size of these. I'll use this one, the smaller one, just because I might have more control. And I'm just dipping the end of it. But if you just drag it, it does it. I'm not having to like manipulate it at all. It's really nice. And I mean, here, I'll go really fast. Look at that. I've been seeing some people that have some really nice swoopies, I call them. Like, I'll try and replicate one, what I've been seeing, where they go like this, and it's kind of like a flourish. And then do like a dot here. I've been seeing that a lot. And to do that with my dotting tools is a nightmare. It can be done if you take your time and you have a lot of patience. But this took me no time. It was way easy to do with these dotting tools. So these are called ball stylus. And this is the brand that I got. But like I said, I'll put a link in the description. I got these within 2 days off of Amazon. We have Amazon Prime, but it took 2 days. Literally, I ordered them Sunday and today's Tuesday and I got them. So, if you're wanting to make really crisp, clean swoops, this is what you're gonna need. And I don't know how I'm gonna go about telling you what size I used in tutorials. This you might just have to judge the size yourself, but I'll try looking it up and see if I can figure it out. But I just wanted to let you guys know, order some of these if you want to do those swoops easy. You won't regret it. But that's my quick little video for today. I hope you guys like it. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya.